Hello, my dear student. As you know, my name is Avinash Kumar. I am the math teacher. Okay, I am teaching maths for kids from last 11 years. And what I see now, many students not interested in doing maths only due to one reason. What are the reasons, sir? Actually, reason is that they are not interested in doing the calculations because for everyone, not for a student, for us also, when we go for long calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, especially multiplication, then what we see now, there's a lot of time taken process. Sometimes we get the wrong answer. In this way, we feel very unhappy. Okay, and in this way, we not love the maths. So in this summer, I just plan to start something special. Okay, so I just I'm planning to start to teach a Vedic maths. Okay, so then why Vedic maths, sir? Is Vedic math make our math special? Yes, answer is absolutely yes. Why? I will explain. Okay, sir, in Vedic math what happened? So I'm not going to explain what is the history of the Vedic math, how the Vedic math come, what are the sutra and all these things. But here I'm just going to explain how Vedic math help us to do the math calculation. So simple one. First we have to learn why Vedic math, sir. Because see, every day we are learning the math, but in this summer, okay, in summer vacation near about one and a half months, so we make it useful. Okay, in this summer vacation we are trying to learn some skill. Vedic math is what? Actually this is a skill, and when we learn the skill, then obviously it make our math easier. So sir, here first question comes, sir, why Vedic math, sir? Okay, so let's see first why Vedic maths. Okay, so it's very easy to learn. What happens? It's very easy to learn. How can you say, sir, it's very easy to learn? Actually, here we have to learn some techniques. Okay, there are the two way of doing the maths. One, our school method, okay, or traditional method that we learn from our grade 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but here we learn everything like addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever the mathematical tools, we learn in the some special way. We go with some trick. Okay, now speed, exactly. So when we know some trick, then what happens? Our speed increase. Okay, we start doing the calculation very fast. Okay, so these are the things that we have to do. Now time saving, exactly, sir. Sir, see, when you start doing the maths, okay, then you have the speed increase. You know the trick, how to do addition, how to do subtraction. So in this way, what happens? It save our time. Suppose that before that you're doing any calculation for 5 minutes, but by using the mathematical or Vedic trick, you can solve within a minute, even within a second, few seconds only take. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, now accuracy. Now here's a question comes, sir, if we do speed, if you do any calculation in speed, then what happens, sir? Many error will come, many mistake will come. Not like that. Actually, what happens when you practice perfectly? We are going to practice a lot. Okay, so it gives the accuracy also. Okay, we are going to be 100% correct. Trick is not a magical trick. Sometimes it will happen, sometimes it will not happen. Not like that. Okay, once you learn the way, then we can do for any questions. Okay, and when we do all these things, then in scenario what happens? Self confidence come. Okay, so this is a very important thing. Self confidence. Okay, what is the self confidence? Already know. When you start doing things, okay, when you do anything very perfectly, then you say, yes sir, I done. Okay, and you start doing the next question also. So by doing all these things, when we learn, speed come, time save, accuracy, then self confidence will come. Once the self development comes, then what happens? Our mental development of mental mind. Okay, so here what happens? We know about the mental maths. Okay, mental math, we are doing all things mentally. Okay, here what happens? We have to just think like 2 plus 2 4. Okay, but the student who in grade 1 not know 10 plus 8, for us it's very easy. 10 plus 8 18, but for them it's tough. But here what happens? We practice like that and we learn all these things trick and we do mentally. So this is the mental exercise. Okay, now if you do all these things, then what happens? Start loving maths. So the student now who hating the maths, after doing all these things, he or she start loving math. And you know the importance of maths. Okay, in our higher grade also the maths is very 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 important. Okay, so in this way we have to cover. So please, yeah, please my all students come and join this session, okay, and make it very useful. And this is not for long term. We are not going for 1 month, 2 months like that, okay. It's only for 25 days session, okay. And in this summer you learn 25 days, okay. So regarding this, okay, regarding the batch information, all these things our team will update you, okay. So please subscribe our channel and we have to update on that, okay. So recently we will inform when we are going to start our batch, okay. Once the batch start we will do this, okay. So bye, we meet in the next batch.